So when we're doing dimensional analysis, you need to start with the thing that has only one unit. So in this problem, we have, you live 3.2 miles from your best friend and the speed limit is 25 miles per hour. How many seconds will it take you to drive from your house to your friend's house? So our givens are 3.2 miles, 25 miles per hour. That can be written as 25 miles over 1 hour. And we're trying to find seconds. So what we are going to start with is the 3.2 miles because that has only one unit. So we're going to set up our little problem, 3.2 miles. We're going to multiply by a fraction just like with unit conversions. We want to make miles cancel, so we're going to put miles on the bottom. Well, now we need to look at the rest of the problem. We need to find something else that has miles in it. Well, let's use the speed. So this, since it's in a fraction form, the miles per hour, it can be flipped if we need to. So we're going to put hours on the top. Since 25 is with miles, 25 goes with miles on the bottom, 1 with hours. Well, now we've calculated, if we were to solve this, we would know how many hours it would take me to drive, but I want to know seconds. So I'm going to convert hours to minutes. Most students don't know that, how many seconds are in an hour. It's easy just to break it down in between. That's fine. So the relationship is you have 60 minutes in 1 hour. And then we can go from minutes to seconds. 60 seconds in 1 minute. So when you solve this, anything that's on the top you're going to multiply. Anything that's on the bottom you're going to divide. So what you're doing is 3.2 divided by 25 times 60 times 60. When you do this on your calculator, you get 460.8 seconds because we're left with seconds. Miles cancel, hours cancel, minutes cancel, and we're left with seconds. But we need to account for sig figs. Our lowest number of sig figs is 2 because both 3.2 miles and 25 miles per hour, that's 2 sig figs. The 60 minutes in 1 hour and the 60 seconds in 1 minute, those are direct conversions, so we don't care about their sig figs. So we want to round 460.8 to 2 sig figs. Well, the 0 isn't going to round the 6 up, so it's just going to stay as 460 seconds without a decimal point. Let's do one more. This one, you want to earn $600 to buy a new bicycle. You have a job that pays $6.75 an hour, but you can only work 3 hours a day. How many days before you have enough to buy the bike? So our givens are $600. That's what we're wanting to earn. We know that we make $6.75 an hour, and we only work 3 hours a day. So we want to find out how many days. Well, the thing that has only one unit is the $600. So we're going to start with dollars, 600, multiply by a fraction. Dollars are on the top, so let's bring that down. The other thing that has dollars in it is the hourly rate that you make, so we're going to go from dollars to hours. In 1 hour, you make $6.75. Then we can go from hours, bring hours down so it'll cancel. And the only other thing that has hours is how many hours a day you can work, so hours to days. Well, in 1 day, you can work 3 hours. Yes, there are 24 hours in a day, but you can only work 3 hours in 1 day, so you have to use 3. So now if we were to solve, we're going to do 600 divided by 6.75 divided by 3. And the calculator gives you 29.6 blah, 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 blah days. Dollars canceled, hours canceled, we're left with days. Well, now we need to worry about sig figs. 675 has 3 sig figs, 3 hours in 1 day. That's technically a counting number because you can count the number of hours you work, 1, 2, 3. But $600, that has only one sig fig. So this needs to be rounded to one sig fig. So 29 rounded to one sig fig is 30 days. And that's the basics of dimensional analysis. The main thing you need to worry about is make your units cancel. If something's on the top, put it on the bottom so it'll cancel, or vice versa. Okay? That's it.